everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back to be showing you guys this beautiful everyday simple makeup tutorial. This is my go-to makeup look, my everyday makeup look, especially if I have a client house to go to or if I have a photo shoot that I'm going to. This is the look that I usually go for, and you know, it's very simple, it's very settled, it's not too much because it's an everyday look. So yes guys, I don't want to talk too much. Let's just get into the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. So let's get to the videos guys. So now I'm just gonna start off by doing my brows. My brows for my everyday look, I don't do it too intense, very simple, light, because I don't like to do too much on my brow for my everyday look. And then I'm just gonna go back in again and take the brush and just brush it out a little bit. So that's looking really good. And then I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. foundation to clean my eyebrow. I'm just gonna take a bit of, oh shit, oh my god, this almost fell. I'm just gonna take a bit of my foundation, put it on the back of my hands, and go ahead and just clean my brow. I don't like to use concealer because it's my everyday look, so I'm just gonna start off on the end. Go ahead and clean it out. And then I'm gonna go back in again with the eyebrow pencil. That's looking really good. Take the brush again and just brush it up. Bam! So now I just finished doing my other brows, and now I'm just gonna go in with my moisturizer, and I try to not put too much on my face, just a little bit, because my face is okay, it's not that bad. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. foundation. I'm gonna mix these two together and blend it on my face. I try not to use anything too heavy for my everyday look. So this foundation is very light guys. This e.l.f. foundation, I'm gonna put everything down in the description bar for you guys to see what all I'm using. Then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just blend it. I'm gonna go in again with my same e.l.f. foundation, but I'm gonna use a lighter virgin. Wow. So the first thing that I did, I used mocha and nutmeg, and I mixed them up to put it all over my face. And now I'm just using mocha. Where is it? Let me double check if that's the name. What is the name? And blend that. and this really worked for me every time, guys. Ooh, I just messed up my eyebrows. It's okay, I'll fix that. Yeah, I just messed it up. It's kind of bothering me, so let me. Yep. This foundation is so light, and it smells nice too. So, my God, and you guys see my face up close. My face looks so nice, like I don't even feel like I'm wearing foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my pressed powder from Sephora. I'm just gonna set my whole face. That's what I do, and I even set my eyebrows. So now I'm gonna take my lower Mercier powder and set under my eye. That's what I'm gonna do. Love to do this. Just to give my face that little, you know. See my skin is looking so good. For my eye, I'm gonna use my Hudabeauty palette. Just browns my eye a little bit. I'm not doing too much to my eye, guys. Just simple, really simple, not much. And then I'm gonna take the gold, the 24K gold eyeshadow in this palette, and I'm just gonna dab it on my eyelid. I'm gonna take my same blending brush and just blend it in. I really love this palette, guys. It's like so nice. So that's how I do it. You can use any palette you want. It's really nice. I love this palette. This eyeshadow palette, I love it. So that's how it's looking right now. It's looking really nice. And then now I'm just gonna go in with the dark brown and put it under my eye. Just a little bit. This look is so easy and simple, guys. Like, my 9-year-old can do this look. That's how easy it is. You see how I'm looking right now? Flawless. Everything is where it needs to be. And then now I'm just gonna go in with my mascara, my e.l.f. mascara. I love this mascara for my everyday look. Love it. And I don't like to wear eyelash every day, so I try my best with the one that I have. So, you know, make it very simple and nice. Ooh, look at my eyelash, guys. I love this mascara. Ooh, that's look good. I'm just gonna brush everything off. Your girl is looking so good. Very simple, guys. This look is so easy. I'm using my Jiva Place blush palette. Guys, I love this thing so much. Look at this. It's like done. I'm gonna use that to even contour too. So I try to not contour too much for my everyday look. So I just use my blush, and they do all the work for me. That's how I do it. Try not to do too much, you know. After I finish putting on my blush, I take the pressed powder again and I just try to clean under my cheekbone. just to give it that, you know, settle look. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my MAC setting spray and set my face. Woo! Refreshing my face. So while this is drying, I go ahead and I take my Seeing eyebrow pencil and I line my lip. See, just a little bit. I don't put too much on my lip. So for my lip gloss, I got this lip gloss from the beauty supply store. That's what I'm just gonna take and put it on my lip, guys. See how I'm looking? I'm looking nice. Your girl is looking good. Your girl is looking good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and fix my hair, and I will be right back, guys. This is the finished look. This is my everyday go-to makeup. It's very easy, it's fast to do, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. If you guys would like to see any other look, just let me know. And thanks for watching, guys.